Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, at the end of this video, I've got two little short updates I want to tell you about. Please don't miss them. And let's just get into this. Mark Meadows is pushing for a new stimulus check to go out to the people. This is good that somebody is now talking about stimulus checks again. As you know, for the past few weeks, nobody has been talking stimulus checks. All you heard was post office and the skinny bill, and the skinny bill don't have a stimulus check in it. But now Donald Trump's chief of staff is pushing for stimulus checks. We know that Donald Trump and Mnuchin are in favor for stimulus checks. We know that the Democrats are all in favor for a stimulus check. We know many of the Republicans are in favor for another round of stimulus checks. Now we've got enough people to get it passed. We just have to get them together long enough to get it written down so they can bring it up for a vote, and then send it off to Donald Trump for his signature. How simple could that be? Apparently not simple enough. But the closer we get to election day, the better chance we have of getting a stimulus check. Because they know if we don't get a stimulus check, they're out of there. Little do they know, they're out of there anyway. If I have anything to do with it. But they feel like passing something close to election day will help them be reelected. Let's just let them keep thinking this. But it's much too late for that. Y'all, we have to get them out of office. We have to drain the swamp. If Donald Trump couldn't do it like he said he was going to do, we're going to have to drain it too. So, this is good news that people are now talking about stimulus checks. Whether they actually sit down together and quit acting like school children and act like adults for once and get something passed, that's yet to be seen. But we got to have faith and we got to have hope. I believe it will happen, but it's going to be a little bit closer to election day. Okay, I got two little updates for you. First, the stimulus guns. I still got plenty of stimulus guns, and I'm going to order more today for backup. I've got the new items on the website. A couple of people have asked me about the little button that I give as a free gift. They wondered if they could buy those, and I've turned them down because I wanted to use those just as free gifts. But I figured out a way to make it feasible for the customer to buy it and for me to sell it. So that's on there too. You might want to check that out. Okay, an update on my wife Amy. Y'all, she's still doing wonderful. In fact, today she asked me for this weekend to let's take a little road trip and go over to Foley, Alabama, to the outlet center over there. Foley, Alabama is about, I would get, if I had to guess, it's about 60 miles from here. So we're going to go over there Saturday. There's places that she can sit down if she gets tired. But yeah, she's doing great, and I want to thank you all for all your prayers. And I see all your comments that you're continuing to pray, and please don't stop. We all need prayer all the time. And I want to thank God above for answering those prayers. Y'all, we will get out of this thing. We just got to have faith in God. He's not going to bring us to this dark storm if He's not going to bring us through it. Got to have that faith. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.